Colossal waterfalls pour from the clouds, crashing onto the planet with unstoppable force. Water plummets from the heavens, swelling oceans and reshaping rivers. Mountains vanish beneath the torrents, valleys drowned in vapor and spray. Each waterfall descends with monumental power, illuminating the landscape in cascading light. Oceans and lakes swell under relentless rain, waves clashing with plunging torrents. Mist rises to meet the storm, a continuous cycle of water and cloud in motion. Forests and plaids vanish beneath the falling water, landscapes reshaped in torrents. Rivers of water surge across the land, fed by endless waterfalls from above. Lightning illuminates the falling torrents, a planet electrified by water and storm. From space, the planet is drenched in cascading water, a world transformed by endless falling torrents. Fuel your imagination. Like and subscribe if you love exploring Earth's alternate destinies.